Method 3, prime factorization 2. Method 1 and 2 are given in your textbook, and this method 3 is not given in your textbook. But I feel this is much better. You can choose any method which is easy for you, you can choose. Here we are doing the same way prime factorization, but the difference is we are taking the two numbers together, 12 and 15 together. Check. 12 and 15 both are divisible by which prime number? So 12 and 15 both are coming in 3's table. So divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are divisible by which prime number? There is no prime number which is common for 4 and 5. So our division finished here. To find LCM, we have to take 3, 4 and 5, all the numbers. 3 times 4 times 5 is equal to 60. See, the same answer we got by method 1 and 2. And for HCF, we are taking only the common factor here, 3. HCF is 3. Let us go to another example with bigger numbers. Find the LCM and HCF of 60 and 75. By method 3, 60 and 75 both are divisible by 3. I think you understood why we don't take here 2, because 75 is an odd number. We cannot divide by 2. So both are divisible by 3. You can divide by 5, that's fine, no problem. 60 divided by 3 is 20 and 75 divided by 3 is 25. Again 20 and 25 both are divisible by 5. 20 divided by 5, 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Finished. So for LCM, 3 times, 5 times, 4 times 5. 300. And for HCF, take only the common. 3 times 5 equals 15. The same question we are going to do by method 2, prime factorization 1. 60, we do prime factorization. 60 is divisible by 2. 30 divisible by 2. 15 divisible by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 is divisible by 5. Till we get 1, we continue. So what is 60? 2 times, 2 times, 3 times 5. So 2 square times 3 times 5. Same way, prime factorization of 75. 75 divisible by 3, 25. 25 divisible by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. For LCM, we have to take the higher frequency of each term. Here the term 2, 3, 5. 3 and 5 also here. So write 2 times 3 times 5. Then take the higher frequency. For 2, the higher frequency is 2. So it is 2 square. 3, here and here, the frequency is 1. So write 3. And 5. 5 only once here and here 2 times. So we have to take the higher frequency 2 times. So 5 square. 2 square times 3 times 5 square, 300. We get the same answer. For HCF, we have to take the smaller frequency of each prime number which are common for both numbers. So here 2. In 75 there is no 2, so we cannot take 2. 3, is 3 common? Yes, 3 is here and here 75. Take the smaller frequency. Here the frequency is 1 and here is also, so the frequency is 1. So take 3 and take 5. Is 5 common? Yes, 5 is here and here 5. 5 square here. Take the smaller frequency. The frequency here is 2 and here is the frequency 1. So take the smaller frequency means 5 only one time. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15. See, we get the same answer for HCF. Okay, so I think this is the easy method. You can choose your own method. Only important thing is when you do the prime factorization, you have to be careful.